And now for our long neck dinosaur, we've got a yellow 5-inch round that we've twisted, blown into about 1.5 inch bubble. Trim the knot very close on the bottom of that. A lime green 260 with about a 3-inch tail. A dark green 260 with about a 4-inch tail. We're going to start with our lime green. Twist about a 2-inch bubble. Lay it over. Create a matching bubble. Grab the knot. Twist that all together. Making sure to hold on to the knot. And tuck that up inside. Now we're going to make a pair of fold twists. Make our cheeks. Fold it over so that you get a bubble about that large. It's out there is about 1 inch, 1.5 inches. Fold that all together. And then we're going to go to the other side. Repeat the process. So we get another fold twist. About the same size as our first one. So that we now have our 2 bubbles there, and then our 2 fold twists sitting opposite each other. Now you're going to come down and make about an 8-inch or so bubble for the neck. Make a little 1/2 inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. And we're going to make about a 5-inch bubble for the body. Another 1/2 inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. And then we're going to make a matching bubble here. Same as that. Twist that in to the ear twist there. And I'm going to take the excess of this off. So that we have that there. Now we're going to take our dark green, twist about a 4-inch bubble there, bring it up alongside, make another matching bubble, grab your knot, twist those 2 together, and now while still holding on to your knot so that it doesn't get away, you want to twist this whole thing around this first ear twist at the base of your neck. Position the front 2, these are your front legs at the bottom of the neck. Now with what you've got left over, run it along the back of the body, and I'll make a bubble slightly longer than these here so it kind of bows. Twist that into that back ear twist. Now you want to make 2 back legs, same size as your front legs. 1 leg. Make your second. Twist it into that ear twist there. Have your tail coming out the back. Shape it however you like. Now we're going to take our 5-inch round, push the knot up into the middle, twist it in half so you get 2 bubbles roughly the same size, and then coming from the bottom of our head under that jaw, bring the 2 bubbles up to the top, twist them around a time or 2 to lock them in place. Then I'll rest the bubbles down in the top of those little fold twists so they nestle in there. Now let's try a different one, since I couldn't hang on to that one. And there you have, move him back, he's a bit larger, our long neck dinosaur.